Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be covering the final fit and finish when it comes to aftermarket multimedia installation for Alfa Romeo GT and 147. In both of our videos we did on the installation on both of these models. We kind of skipped this part, and in this video we're gonna cover just that. As you can see right here, the fitment looks pretty good, but it's still not perfect. And in this video I'm gonna give you some tips how to get the best results possible. The part that makes everything fit good is this fascia that you can get online for approximately $20. And while it is intended for Alfa Romeo 147 and Alfa GT, it's not really a quality product and it does need some adjustments. These pins, these bottom pins right here, we have to make them fit better, and as you can see I also added some foaming just to prevent any unnecessary noise. So this plastic right here, the bottom of it went inwards at maybe like 45 degrees angle, and what I did, I used this small file to basically file it down a little bit to make that bottom pin fit better. Be careful with this bottom plastic right here. You want to protect it with a tape or something like that so you don't damage it. I also did the same thing on the other side, and while the right side fits perfectly, this one will probably need a little bit more work, as you'll be able to see in a minute. Alright, if I try to fit the fascia right now, right, here's our pin. This is what I'm talking about. This is why you need to file down the plastic on the car. As you can see now, it fits perfectly. Let's check out the other side. This one also fits pretty good, but the plastic does need additional filing to make it fit perfectly. But as you can see right here, all the gaps are even and everything looks pretty good. One more thing that needs attention is this fascia that comes with Android Multimedia. As you can see, I've painted it gray with the generic gray spray that I got from the hardware store, and it makes a lot of difference. People usually leave this in black color and it doesn't look really good, so that's the thing you would want to do. Alright, now we're gonna check out the wiring. As you can see, it's a whole lot of mess right here. We still got these original connectors on, and wires are everywhere. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the connectors off, and I'm gonna make everything nice and tight with basically a fabric tape. Alright, here's our finished result right here. As you can see, everything looks much better. I've used this cloth wiring tape, which is basically what they use from the factory to make everything look good. Also, this green wire that I use for illumination, I secured it so it's not loose anywhere. The gray wire as well that we borrow from the fuse box is also secured. Here are our connectors for USBs, and here's our GPS antenna as well. So everything is nice and tight and everything looks pretty good. Here are the original factory connectors, which I cut completely off. I've insulated the wires which I didn't use, and as you can see I left maybe like 5 centimeters of each wire, so if I need to hook it back up I can. Here's the end result. As you can see, everything looks great. The gaps are pretty much perfect all around. And that would be it for this video. If you liked it, hit like button and subscribe to our channel.